When a silver howl rose like a lullaby through the forest shadows, eyes of burning gold, a guardian of secrets no living soul is told. He stepped from the darkness, fierce and yet divine, a soul forged in winter, wild by design. But in his gaze I found what my heart had missed, the freedom of the storm, a touch of wilderness. Moonbound we run as one through the night, where the stars are spun. He carries the wild, I carry the fire, two spirits chasing the same